If your ECM multi-speed blower motor only kicks on when you manually spin it, that's a classic sign something's up with the motor or its power supply. So, check first if the blower's bearings might be seized. Sometimes they get stuck, and the motor can't start on its own. If the motor feels hard to turn by hand, that's a red flag. Next, look at the voltage going to the motor. If it's too low, the motor won't start properly. You can measure the voltage with a multimeter at the motor terminals to see if it's getting enough juice. Another thing to consider is the motor's control module. If it's partially failed, it might not send the right signals to start the blower. Also, make sure the wiring is solid. Loose or corroded connections can cause low circuit voltage issues. Don't forget to check the capacitor if your motor uses one. A bad capacitor can prevent starting. Finally, sometimes dust or debris inside the blower housing can make the fan blades stick, so give it a quick clean. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM multi-speed blower motors is ignoring seized bearings. They usually think it's just an electrical problem when mechanical resistance is the real cause. Fix that by lubricating or replacing the bearings. Another common issue is low circuit voltage due to bad wiring or a failing transformer. Always check and tighten connections or replace faulty components. Third, people often overlook a partially failed control module, which messes up speed control signals. Swapping out the module usually does the trick. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with HVAC and blower motor repairs. Contractors also get hooked up with new clients who need their skills fast, so everyone wins.